Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Evan with the Swing Trade Pros team here, and in this short video, maybe not so short video, I'm going to take you guys through one of the best indicators to know when to sell your crypto. I think this is going to be a wonderful video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for the entire thing. Do not forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and tick the little bell. We'll see you guys on the charts. Alright guys, so I want to take you guys through the NUPL, which stands for Net Unrealized Profit and Loss on Glassnode. Now this information is really important because it actually will tell you or signal when we've reached a market cycle or near the market cycle top. And I'm going to show you here on the last couple cycles, it triggered about a week before Bitcoin went to its cycle top. And you had about 1 to 2 week window to exit all of your positions. Obviously, it triggered here. Like if you were just to look at this and not think about the side part of it, right? We know we topped out in the middle of, or the top of or beginning of January for the altcoins, right? But Bitcoin topped out before that, right? Right after like Christmas or something. And you can see it started to turn purple here on December 6th. What I'm gonna do here is show you guys on December 6th what the price was, okay? Because on December 6th, this wasn't the top, right? It was near the top, and that's what I kind of want to illustrate to you guys, is that you don't always need to exit at the top, although it's wonderful to, to sell the top. But okay, so just for all sakes and purposes of this video, by the way guys, if you guys are enjoying the content here, make sure you guys smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and tick the little bell if you guys are new to the channel and do enjoy the content here at STP. All right, so as I was saying before, December 6th, it started to trigger, right? This is December 7th, so December 6th, it started to trigger here. So this is when you should have that light bulb moment and be like, oh my God, I should probably think about starting to sell my crypto assets, right? So you basically know that usually the altcoins top out about a week or two after Bitcoin does. But unless you don't want to take that risk, which I think you really shouldn't, you should at least cover your basis and some profit. If you want to let the trade ride for another week, sure, that works. This isn't financial advice, by the way, guys. You guys are responsible for your own risk and your own management. And I'm just letting you know what this indicator can really help you understand and when to really exit the market. So on the 7th here, we got this 22% candle, and this was the next day on the NUPL here. You can see this was this top that we made, December 7th, the top of the NUPL chart, okay? And this was about 30% away from the all-time high. As you guys can see, about a week later, we topped out, and then it was just downhill from there, right? We topped out here December 17th, so like the very next day, NUPL chart tops out, which is exactly, basically, or very close to the all-time high top. But we can go look back at the NUPL chart here and kind of show you, December 17th. So it actually triggered the second double top on the NUPL chart as the double top, right? This was the day before. This was the day before we actually topped out. So the double top on the NUPL chart signaled the market cycle top. Perfect exit right there. If you guys are enjoying this content, make sure you guys smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and tick the little bell. We're going to go through one other iteration to show you what happened in the previous cycle. So not the 2017 or 2018 top, but the previous cycle top here in November of 2013. So we did have a bit of a fake out here on like November 8th, but you can see about by December 4th, so about that 2 to 3 week window where you then topped out, right? So this indicator is pretty accurate. I'm going to show you guys, it did trigger a bit early. Obviously, there was less capital and less money in this market during this time period, but I believe the price was somewhere around $300 when this thing first started to trigger here on November 8th. So November 8th, 2013 was this run right here. November 8th was, let's see, what was that? Yeah, it was this right here, November 8th. So it started to trigger right here on a 15% day in about, you're seeing it about 30 days later. Okay, so this wasn't so entirely accurate, but you could also start to think about when to start selling, right? So Okay, we triggered it. So maybe the top's not in just yet. Let's wait for a confirmation on the Newpol chart. Okay, we triggered it here. We came back down into the green. So when we come back down to the green, that's good. Okay, especially if you're going to end up breaking the high, right? So we ended up breaking the high on the 12th. Perfect. The 12th right here, we got a breakout, right? The top's not in yet. We got confirmation of a breakout. And then we had this major one. We had a 56% candle about 7 days later. Okay, that's when, honestly, I probably would have been taking some profit. You get a 56% day. I mean, that's insane, right? I mean, yeah, you would have missed probably another 40%, okay? But you would have been able to exit your trades way in the green. And yes, I mean, yes, you would have missed a 30 or 40% move. Okay, that's better than losing 90% of your holdings, right? Because you know what ends up happening after that. We go all the way down to 164 bucks, and you exited at almost $800. All right, even though you didn't sell at the exact top, but you sold around 800 bucks, and you would have been able to enter. I'm going to show you guys the Newpol chart. This is really cool. So this thing topped out at November 18th, which I just said. That was this top right here, right? November 18th. This 56% candle. This was the top on the Newpol chart. It stayed blue, right? For, again, we got the lower highs that came in, right? The lower highs that came in would signal, obviously, the continuation, right? But do you really want to wait for that? I mean, you don't know what's going to end up happening, right? So maybe take some risk off here, and you know, use some practice and risk management with your position sizing and your things. Obviously, this is not financial advice, again, but this is a wonderful indicator to let us know when the cycle top comes in. If you guys are enjoying this content, make sure you guys smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and tick the little bell. Make sure you guys join the Discord. We have wonderful information there, and obviously all the STP products I'm not going to be covering on this video, but make sure you guys check those out at swingtradepros.com. And we're going to show you one other thing that's really cool about the Newpol chart. So not only is it signaling the tops, but also it will tell you when the bottoms come in. So this is an amazing chart to have access to. I think it's like, I'm not here shilling Glassnode, but I think it's like 40 bucks a month. So every single time the market goes into these red or orange, pink phases, these are ultimately buying opportunities, right? Because we go into capitulation and fear, right? So this is what you really want to look at. Obviously, this you can just see by the dates. You know, the Decembers of the following year usually a preceding capitulation. Obviously, we did have this this event here in March, right? The Corona crash. So this is, I mean, this is perfect perfect example. But let's just say you didn't plan on Corona, right? And you're just buying based off the December bottoms of the preceding years. Capitulation on Glassnode is a perfect time to buy the asset almost every single time, and you ride it up till you get to blue, and you just rinse and repeat. If you guys like this strategy, make sure you guys smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and tick the little bell, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.